Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very special, and why is that? Is because today I am doing my full face of makeup, or a get ready with me style of video, using my most expensive, high-end and luxury products from my collection. And I wanted to be this video a type of get ready with me for my birthday, because this year on July 21st I'm reaching a more round age, and I said I need to treat myself with a very expensive high-end face or a very expensive high-end makeup. And I also have a expensive luxury eyeshadow palette that you probably guess from the thumbnail which one it is. So if you are interested to see what are my most expensive makeup products from my collection in each category and how they apply, and my feedback about how I feel about them spending so much money and how they perform, then just keep on watching. And if you are here for the first time, hello, my name is Julia. I'm happy to have you in my family, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave and give it a thumbs up. And now let's just get into it. Actually, I have had this fun idea in my mind for at least 1 or 2 years, but I was never coming around on sitting down and filming this video until I got this expensive eyeshadow palette that you already know what it's about, because I have posted on my Insta that I have received this as present from my husband. So in today's video I'm going to play with my most expensive makeup, and I'm going to let you know if some of those products are really worth the high price tag and how often I reach for them. Just spoiler alert, some of them are some of my favorites. So for the sake of time, because I have left just a little bit battery on my camera, I hope it will last me to go through this video. I have already applied my primers. So this is the Rodial Soft Focus Glow Drops. This is like skincare slash primer, and this guys retails for 60 US freaking dollars. I got it in BoxyCharm or Ipsy. Also this one I got it as an add-on from Ipsy, but the full price it is around 50 US freaking dollars. I think the freaking dollars, it will be the light motif of this video. So those two are already on my face. I just wanted to save some time, and now I'm going to do my foundation. I actually had struggled to find, because I have few foundations that are around 40 something dollars, and the most expensive turned out to be the NARS Tinted Moisturizer, Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer. I have it in the shade Alaska. I'm going to have all the prices of the products in my description box, and if I do have time, also on my screen. And I'm actually loving this. Is one of my most favorite tinted moisturizers I have in my collection, and this shade it's mostly matching me during summer, so it was really well thought. I didn't actually plan it to record this during summer, because when I'm recording we are in May 26th, but this video will probably go up a little bit later. So the most expensive foundation brush is this one from Referral, and it's the brush number 31. And the full price is around 90 or 99 freaking dollars. But this is a handcrafted Japanese brush, or crafted in Japan. And you can all the time find it on a good price on the website or on the concept store. So I'm going to have the link for this brush. So I have bought it actually when they had their Black Friday sale, and I got it on 50% discount. I absolutely love this tinted moisturizer. It is hands down one of the best I have in my collection. Look at my face. I'm also a bit self-tanned. My most expensive concealers, I didn't have to dig too much, because I have from Pat McGrath. I actually have two shades, L2 and L6, so I'm going to combine them together to get the perfect shade. Now my most expensive under eye setting powder is this one from Becca. Now you know that Becca is discontinued, but I was able to find it on Amazon. So FYI, the price is exorbitant, but just in case you miss it, because for under eye area you just need a tiny little bit. And I'm going to use my Referral brush number 19. I think this is a contour brush, but I like to use it for my powder. And for the rest of the face, I'm going to use this one from Hourglass and this powder brush from Referral, the brush number 22. This is the most expensive brush from my whole collection. This is $110, the full price. Also got it on sale. Yeah, so I also applied while I was gone my eyeshadow primer. This is by Smashbox, and I'm going to do my face, then I'm going to move to eyes. So my most expensive bronzer is this one by Charlotte Tilbury, the Airbrush matte bronzer, and I'm going to use it with this brush from Sonia G. And for the blush, I have this one from Chantecaille. It is so small, but it is around 40 something US dollars for only this much of shadow, but we know that Chantecaille is expensive, so I'm going to use this Referral brush number 24, and I love this color. I should use it more often. Now just keep in mind that probably most of those products I got them on sale or promotion or something like this on boxes. I almost never pay the full price. It's so crazy to pay the luxury full price, but if you can afford it, why not? And for highlighter, I'm going to use this one from Laura Mercier. This is a matte radiance baked powder, and it looks and acts as a highlighter, so it's very shiny. I'm loving this product. And I need to find, yeah, my fan brush from Referral. This is very, very pretty. Moving to eyes, as you already know, because I have posted on my Instagram, I have just received this one from my hubby. This is my birthday present. I absolutely love the packaging. This palette is the star of the show, and it of course is my most expensive palette. And also the second position is another palette that I have from Pat McGrath, the Celestial Divinity #1. You have this very, very gorgeous, sturdy packaging. One thing I don't like is the fact that you have the shades here, so no shade name on the palette or anywhere else, so I need to keep this card for reference. It is Perfection. I haven't used it yet. I took some pictures, so I'm going to use it together with you on camera. I'm going to speed up the process. Probably I'm going to do 2 looks using my most pricey brushes. I'm going to use one shade on one eye and the other shade on the other eye for my outer corner. While I was out camera, I realized that something is missing, so I did my brows. So my most expensive brow product is from Urban Decay. I have 2 brow blade crayons that are coming with a more precise application. This is like a liquid liner, but it's for your brows. And the pencil sides, and I have the Neutral Nana and the Cool Cookie, and I have used them both. So the more warm one is Neutral Nana, and the other one is Cool Cookie. But I love it. It's one of my all-time favorite brow pencil. And I also set everything in place using my Benefit Gimme Brow Gel. So I finished doing my transition and my outer V, and I absolutely love how those shades blend together. Now I want to use different shades for my lid, taking a Sonia G Builder Pro. Oh my god, I love it so much that I might use it for my entire lid, but I don't want to. For the inner corner, I'm going to use the special shade, this one. Alright, this is more like a taupe shade. And for my right eye, I want to play with the purple. That's why I have my cool shade on my outer V. This shadow has some reflection, some sparkling to it. You can use this on your entire lid. I'm going to take this lighter shade on my inner corner. Alright, I'm going to do my lower lash. I'm going to use the same transition shade. On my left eye, I have used this matte shade, but on my right eye, on my left eye, you're right, I have used this olive green shade, which is stunning. I don't know if you can tell. And I also used my most expensive liner to line a bit my eyes. I did a small wing and a bit on my waterline. This is by Tarte Taste, and you have a pencil liner, and also you have your liquid liner. And now for the mascara. This is not my most expensive mascara, but I cannot find it. The most pricey mascara that I have in my collection is one from By Terry, but it doesn't matter because I also don't like it. So I pull it out to use it for the purpose of this video, and I cannot find it. So I am using the second most expensive mascara from my collection, the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. And of course, prior, I have curled my lashes using my Referral eyelash curler. Why? I cannot do my mascara, especially on camera, without getting transfer. Not on this look. Waiting for that to dry before cleaning. And the last chapter, it's the lip situation. So I have the Pat McGrath, the Permagel Ultra Lip Pencil in the shade Starstruck. This retails for $29. And guys, are you ready for my most expensive lipstick from my collection? So this was the most difficult part for me because I have a lot of high-end / luxury lipsticks, and it took a lot of searching. I had to put all the lipsticks and search for the prices. And finally I came to know that my most expensive lipstick from my collection, and this is sold on this size, is the Tom Ford Boys and Girl Lip Color. And this is in the shade Andrea. And it's a matte formula. Also underneath I have another Tom Ford lipstick, actually that is a balm and has the same packaging. And this I wasn't able to find it on the Tom Ford website, but I found it on Look Fantastic for 47.95 freaking euros. So I think this is around $50 US as of now. So why not? My lips deserve that. And also to top it up with a gloss. I don't have too many lip glosses because I've cleaned my collection, and anyway I do not purchase so many glosses, but I have this one from Rowan Beauty. Is in the shade Charlie. This retails for $26 freaking dollars. Oh, the shade doesn't match. Alright you guys, I'm back, and by the way, if you were wondering about my shirt that I'm wearing in this video, this is by Lily Silk. I received it last year when we did a collab. I did a collab with the brand, but this time this is not a collab or sponsored video. I just wanted to wear it because it's my most expensive top. Yeah, so why not? But yeah, this is my final look using all of my most expensive products, makeup products that I have in my collection. I think everything I have used are some of my most favorites, so I do not regret splurging on those products. The only product that is like more like average for me is this Hourglass Mineral Veil Translucent Setting Powder. I have worn it a couple of times and she didn't convince me. This is the travel size. I didn't purchase it. Also, it came in one of my beauty boxes or so. So please let me know which one of the eye makeup you liked more. You like the purple side or you like the more bronzy side. So I'm loving this palette from Pat McGrath, the Mothership number 6. I'm not exactly sure if it is the last or the previous to last eyeshadow palette from Pat McGrath, but I'm loving the palette. I do not regret. It was my wish list, one of the most things that I wanted from Pat McGrath, and a present for my birthday. The first and the early present birthday for my 45 years old. I cannot believe. But yeah, this is the life. We are all going forward, never going back. So guys, let me know what was your favorite product of today's video. This is a crazy amount of money for a full face of makeup, but this is the total up of the makeup, not counting the brushes. So yeah, please let me know what was the favorite product of today's video. I hope you'll have a fantastic day. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section down below which one of the eyes is your favorite, and also you can tell me when it's your birthday, the month birthday. You don't have to tell me specifically the day, but you can tell me. My birthday is July 21st, but yeah, I am doing this video a little bit ahead of time just because I wanted to play with my first birthday gift. So yeah, this is a hell long of the outro, so thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. Don't forget that the most beautiful makeup is your own smile. Happy birthday if it is your birthday around this time, and I'm going to see you soon with another video right here on this channel. Bye!